the iQOO 13, which is set to launch in China on October 30th. The iQOO 13 will be launching in India on December 5th. The company confirmed that the phone will be available in 4 color options: green, white, black, and gray. The iQOO 13 sports a flat design with a sleek, modern look, which is further enriched by the halo light ring around the camera island. The company has also showcased the light ring in a video, which features a design very similar to its predecessor. 3 camera aligned will be equipped with RGB lights around the camera deco with features: lit when gaming, selecting battery saver, performance mode. The tipster claims that the smartphone will be priced at 3,999 yuan. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. The device is also equipped with a self-developed gaming chip, the Q2, which supports PC-level 2K texture super resolution and native 144 FPS gaming. The brand has revealed that iQOO 13 has scored 3,159,448 points on the AnTuTu benchmark. And this is the box iQOO 13. iQOO has confirmed the iQOO 13 will boast BOE's latest Q10 panel, promising a 2K resolution and a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. The Q10 display also reportedly boasts higher brightness, a longer lifespan, and lower color deviation compared to competitors. There will also be an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. It is also expected to feature an IP68 rated body fitted with a metal middle frame. It's feature a 50MP Sony IMX921 main sensor, 50MP Samsung ISOCELL-JN1 ultra-wide sensor, a 50MP Sony IMX826 telephoto camera with 2x zoom. The phone could pack a 6,100 mAh dual-cell battery with support for 120W fast charging. Wireless charging is expected to reach 50W. The starting price could be around 55,000 Indian rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.